Guys, I am really sorry for any of the interruptions in the background noises today because I am most of the time in these 2 to 3 days I have been pissed up of myself. I don't know my voice is clear enough or not, but I am not going to stop this video until I completely say everything. I confess everything right here. So this is I don't want to distract myself. I don't want to be happy right now because I get in addiction loops. Addiction, I get addicted to addiction. And there comes a, I don't know what disastrous time when I just want to do the wrong thing again and again until I find myself completely immersed in the guilt and I find myself completely fucked up the situation. I gain it and then I lose it and then it's all me. I studied for like a good time. I studied for my exam. It went well. My exams are over. Only one is left, and that is in the next month. Before that, there is one winter vacation here, and I was so excited. I was desperate to go home in these winter vacations. I wanted to eat really, really, really good food this time, which is not like me always. I am not very much fond of food. Food does not attract me like most of the time, but this time I was really excited to visit my home again. I was missing my parents, my siblings, and the fun with them. But again, as the date moved on, like on 11th, if I was on the 10th floor, till 15th I was like, okay, I'm excited, I want to go home. And till 18th I was like, no, I don't want to do anything. It could be like that time I needed somebody, I needed some food, and till 18th I was like, no, again in that zone where nothing matters to me. I just want to be alone in the most miserable way I could possibly be. And yeah, that is what happened. Till 19th I had exams, so I was completely in that mode of studying for academics, for college and sem examinations. I studied, and it was like the whole day you're just doing what you want to do, and at the end for 2 hours you're just studying and revising the notes, and you're clearing it up. But now what I got into my mind that only few papers required me to really give them like 5 hours of preparation. Other than that, it was like a half-hour thing because nowadays AI is there which summarizes it all and gives you the practice questions you need. So I made a way like that, and now what I felt like, if I am studying something out of the course at the time of the examination, it is stressing me up. There are many things that has happened, and this is how it started. The first factor was, if I'm studying something else for at the time of examinations, I am like most of the time pissed up, stressed up that no, I can't study it, it is not legal. And then I didn't study it. Also, I didn't require the preparation of that particular subject so much that I would study the whole day for it. So what I did was a leisure. Earlier when I was in school, I loved the examination days when there used to be a gap of few days and all you had to do was just go through the syllabus and revise the same thing again, and which was the easiest thing for me. And now what I think is, every day of college which is passing by like without any warnings, I would say, is a crucial time when, if you are not focused enough, if you're not determined enough, if you don't have your goal in mind, you are going to lose something or the other to the person who is making all the efforts. So this is what happened. Yeah, okay. Till 19th there was a set of exam. Then on 20th it was off. On 21st December it was off. On 22nd December I had one more easy exam which didn't require preparation. So today is 22nd of December, and it completed. Like, yeah, examination set of December got finished, and I am above it now. But what happens next is I don't want to go again in that phase of education upliftment, which is a self upliftment which shall not be broken. It is needed to be consistent, which I have lost, and I don't want to go again into that particular focused and sort of target based routine. And this is where I mess myself up again, and I just want to get addicted. The urge to get addicted to any bad thing. Two things I chose. This time I was different. These are winters going on, and I wanted spicy food, so I got a lot of snacks packed up as a reward system study that I would read, I would study, and I would reward myself with these snacks, which everyone thinks that would happen, but never ever happens that way. I think and it doesn't work with me. I eat the whole thing one by one after another, and even if I try to stop myself, like what I do, I buy dark chocolate, half kg, and then I store it for like, okay, it will go 2 to 3 months at least if I consume every day at least like a little bit of it. But sometimes I consume a lot and then I get detached with it and I hate it, and this is it. Everything goes like that. So I got flavored like so many different types of snacks this time, and what happened is one by one in 2 days, max to max, I completed, I finished it. So brave. First time you have like showed interest in food and it was good. Good experience. I would like to repeat it again because anyways it's going in my stomach. But there comes the twist that I felt so heavy and uncomfortable in my stomach while like in the night when I was laying on the bed. It did not feel like me, and I felt terrible, completely terrible. So that is not going to work. Then another thing which I tried myself to get addicted to was a web series of like, it is 2023 web series. I liked it. I watched its first season with 7 episodes in 2 days, like half there and then half another day in between my exam. And then I watched the whole season today, and it didn't like, there were only 8 episodes, so it didn't take so much of time, like 7 to 8 hours of watch time, and I completed it. But there comes its third season, which I was like, okay, let's sit and complete it. Like, I was on a high mood. I get high really easily. I have that terrible addiction kind of you know I can get addicted. I want myself to get addicted. I wanted to addict myself to either exercise. Yeah, there comes the exercise thing. Thanks for reminding me. Me. So, okay, what topic am I missing here? Like, what I'm going to leave before going to the exercise thing is that yeah, that web series, I tried myself to addicted with it, but its third season first episode didn't work. I tried it. It didn't work. So I left it. I had to leave it. Then I went to YouTube scrolling. I did it for an hour, and then I had my lunch, and now I'm here. And now let's go to that exercise thing. Yeah. So I had planned to start running. I made a 3 week plan, 4 week plan, and the first week went tremendous. I really appreciate myself that I did that, and I was a success. And no, not a success. Again, the last day I skipped it for like straight 2 days. I kept a rest time in that, but I skipped it. And this week has started. It's Monday today, and I have not started the second week planning yet. But it's okay. If still I want, I can manage it, because I when I see, I'll tell you about it. The running thing, I have discussed it before also, right? Yeah, I have shared with it to you, and it was supposed to be a little bit serious, and at the end of the first week only, I have missed the first week end day. 6 days on 7 days was planned, and one day break had already taken place on Tuesday. So I was not supposed to take the break again, but the second day includes 4 day of running only, so I can include it somewhere. If I had walked today for like 4 kilometers, they everything would have been better, like the same. I would have ruined it, but still I have got some chance. Hopefully tomorrow I have maybe I will be uh, booking the ticket to go home. Papa came to our hometown for some work, and oh, just noticed that both of my rings are visible. See, my rings have their own stories, and these are very conflicting. Like, I don't completely um like discourage the idea of astrology, but some people say that it's not necessary. If you have belief on yourself that you could do it, but the way, like, as I will share my stories, you'll get to know that I lose beliefs really quickly because of my some of my past traumas. And yeah, it is what it is. Okay, so exercise didn't go well, my academic didn't go well, like not the exams, no one knows of the exams anyways, like results will tell that. And exercise, academic, addiction got included, mm, food addiction and web series addiction. Like, I tried, and I could, if I go high again, I would just sit and watch. I missed my live going, which where I was regular classes. These things are, the universe gives me so many good chances, but I freak out and miss it all. So this is what happens when I get distracted. Everything of these things are called distraction of my life, and I don't want to speak anymore because the way I am sitting right now is only I can see. There is a bench where there is my Milton bottle, my red bottle. Red bottle. Yeah, this is really dear to me. Um, the first one was the one I picked with Shreya. She was my childhood friend. She is my friend. With her from the shopping mall. Not the mall. Yeah, we all know that. Okay, I can tell you about it if you want to. So that story was also good. That bottle was also dear to me. Now again, this is my red bottle, and I call secret, private name. Okay, so the way I'm sitting is on my feet. So I'm tired. Bye. Thanks for hearing me.